Okay, today we are going to learn how to pull eviction notices from the county courthouse retrieval website and how to find the owner's information from that eviction site and then actually using that information to find the owner of the address using a tax record site and then ultimately entering it into a form that looks just like this. And that's going to go to me and I'll show you how that all ties together. But first, what you're going to notice is if we have decided to work together, I'm going to send you an email. It's going to look like this. Here are the websites that you're going to be using for your assignment. The first thing you're going to do is copy and paste that address right here. And what's going to happen is that's going to have this website come up. And you're also going to notice I'm going to have the name and password there for you to log in every time. And so this is the first step you're going to do. And let's go ahead and do this now. So we're logged in. You're going to see along the top here, as you just scroll over like this, you're going to go to tax. Go ahead and scroll down to CRS tax system. Click on that. And that's going to bring up your tax record website. So for now, we're just going to leave this, and then we'll get the gist of this here in a minute. Let's go back to the email. And you see the next site you're going to need to open is for the county clerk public information. So then you're going to do that. You're going to either copy and paste or open this link in another window. And when it comes up, it's going to look like this right here. So with this, you're going to go to the top, and case link is what you're going to click. And from there, you're going to go down to right here, subscriber login to case link. Go ahead and click on that. And then the user ID and password is going to be the one that I email you as well, right here. So then we're going to go ahead and enter that in and log in. Okay, so once you log in, you're going to see these links along the top. And for evictions, you're going to go to sessions, case inquiry. So go ahead and click on that. That will bring up this. And from there, you're going to enter the docket number of the last file that we've looked up, because then from there we're going to be going forward each day and pulling the new eviction files that have been filed. So one second, let me find that information. Okay, so basically how you're going to be able to see the last eviction, I would say to save a file on a notepad every day of the last number that you used, so you can use that for reference. With me, all that I simply do is go to the spreadsheet, and I would just look to the case number, because you're going to enter that for each one, and then I can note for easy reference. But I know that the last one that I've entered, as you can see here for my evictions that I've entered so far, you can see that 10,300, that's 10,300 evictions for the year that has been filed in my city. So that's what we're up to at this point. So then we're going to be progressing forward from that number. So let's go ahead and enter 10,300. You can see here that the Debbie Ryan was the owner who filed to evict someone out of this property. So let's go ahead and do that now. We'll get this back over here. So you're always going to start off with the year ending, so 2012. So you're going to start off with 12. Next year it will be 13, and then GT always will follow, and then 10,300. Let's go ahead and click search for that. And you can see here that was Debbie Ryan. Here's the easiest way to go through evictions one at a time that I've found anyways. And I always go to addresses. And with this, you can always click over to defendant, and this is the address that you're essentially going to be searching, because see, Debbie Ryan is the person who's kicking out this person, Kim Anderson. So there's Kim, there's her address. So I know automatically that this is the address that Debbie owns, and she's wanting them out of it. So if that makes sense, but if it doesn't, it will here as we get started. So that's going to be the next step. And from there, I want you to go ahead and right click on this